What's happening, campers? Jason here. Today I got a super simple, really tasty recipe you can whip up on your Camp Chef. Perfect for hitting the road with. You can fit the whole meal inside of a gallon Ziploc bag, and with a little bit of prep you'll be whipping up this Hawaiian classic, Spam and eggs at your campsite. Spam and eggs is a really simple recipe. All you need is some rice, a little bit of Spam, and of course eggs. Seasoning is a mixture of oyster sauce, soy sauce, and ahi marin, which is a seasoned rice wine. I make mine camp ready by doing all the cut work at home, putting it in Ziploc bags of the appropriate size, a snack size bag for the green onions, quart size bag for the 1 can of Spam, and the rice is 2 cups rice, and then you cook it, so I guess it's more like 4 or 6 cups. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. This is kind of key to getting that authentic texture. Put it in the gallon Ziploc bag. For the eggs, I use 6 for this recipe. If you like a little more, a little less, you can do whatever you like. I take my eggs, I beat them up ahead of time at home, and then pour them into a water bottle. That way they can transport really easily. I don't have to worry about busting eggs or making another dish at the campsite. First things first, whenever you're using one of these Camp Chef flat top grills, I cannot stress the importance of preheating it and getting it nice and oiled. You want to preheat it that way when you throw your food on there, that initial thermal shock doesn't suck all the heat out of it. When it's nice and hot, we're going to get an amazing crisp up on this rice. Start by unpacking. First thing we're going to throw onto the grill is going to be the Spam. We want it nice and crispy. You want your grill somewhere between 350 and 400 degrees for this. You're not going to get this grill super precise, but as long as you're in that range, you'll be good. Another little thing that I do is I'll divide the food between the spots over the burners, because truth be told, that's where most of the heat is on this grill. The ham will take you a few minutes to get browned up proper. Once we start to get a nice little crisp on our Spam, I'm going to go ahead and add the rice. I'm going to put down just a little bit more oil. Start to get that rice broken up and laid out as flat as you can on the grill. Now I add a little bit of the ahi marin to season the rice and kind of steam it back up. Now we're going to introduce the Spam into the rice. Spreading the rice out on the grill is going to get it nice and crispy. Now we're going to season the rice with some soy sauce and oyster sauce. much or as little of this stuff as you like. Next on is the green onions and the eggs. Scramble your eggs into your green onions. Once your eggs are about 70% cooked, just combine it with the rice. Now you just got to put it in a big old bowl and serve it up to the troops.